Hello and welcome to the SAP Success Factors Payroll Training for Beginners. This is a boot camp specially designed for people who are looking to build a strong foundation in one of the most powerful payroll systems in the HR tech space available today. My name is Anurag and I have been working in the world of HR technology for over a decade. With deep expertise in success factors payroll solutions, including on premise payroll, S4 HANA, hyperscaler public and private cloud, as well as Employee Central payroll. Currently, I am helping over 7,000 students on Udemy through 6 in-depth courses and supporting a community of nearly 4,000 students on YouTube, where I have published more than 100 hours of hands-on content. In this course, we'll walk through step-by-step configuration of international payroll driver using a live SAP system demonstration, so you not only understand the concept but also see them in action. This setup is structured to help you learn and implement payroll processes across multiple localizations, making it a valuable resource whether you are working with local or global teams or planning to expand your expertise. Whether you are an HR professional, a tech consultant, or someone curious about payroll automation, this training will give you the clarity and confidence to work on any SAP SuccessFactors payroll system like a pro. So, if you are ready to learn, let's dive into building your payroll expertise from the ground up.